Hello guys and welcome to a new video. My new keyboard here, unboxing the Asus ROG Azoth. Here we go. Beautiful box here. We open the box up. First thing is welcome to Republic of Gamers. Then we have it like this here. Republic of Gamers. And the actual keyboard, and here's some foam above. The actual keyboard is down here, but how do I get up this then? The actual keyboard, and down under in the down department in the box we have instructions, manuals, some Asus stickers, and the instruction book. Then in this smaller package we have some foam, and here are all the stuff that you get with the keyboard. If you can see anything here, it's some lube, some keycaps, other keycaps, some lube things, and then the cord, USB-C to USB, then the keycap, the key remover, so that's in the down compartment of the keyboard. Then the actual keyboard itself here. It's wireless, but you can connect the cord if you want. So here it comes. I took the gunmetal color. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Pretty heavy for the 75%, and this is the sound. Then you have an OLED screen, and then you have the volume button, and that you can look in the instructions. I'm gonna light it up and show you how it looks when it's connected to the PC. This is then how it looks when you connect it to the PC and choose the USB connection. And here we have the little OLED screen, if you can see something. Loading there, showing if it's pairing, or there's the Asus logo. And you can put, I think, custom things there, and the color is already great. Here you can mute yourself, and the volume button on this side circle here. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Take care. Peace out.